Hello everybody. Today I am going to show a small demo that we have developed a voice recognition program or the application for the hospitality sector. So if a customer goes to a hotel and how this robot can serve and fulfill the requirement of the customer in a hospitality sector, it would be a small demo just to understand how this robot is going to perform their job in the hospitality sector during this pandemic. As you know that COVID-19 has really halted all the business around the world and especially affecting the tourism and hospitality sector, where we have to maintain our distance, then hygienic part, lot of issues we are facing. And in this pandemic time, during this hard time, this robot has come up in the business to help human to generate the revenue as well as feel comfortable when the guests are around in the hotel. So let us watch the demo, how does it work, and have a look into it.
Hello, I am Kiddo. Welcome to the Crown Plaza Kuwait. Please click for more services. Welcome to our services. Please select from the options. You can tap my head to talk to me. What cuisine would you like to have?
Indian.
Please select the restaurant you like. Do you want to book a table?
Yes.
Which day would you like to book the table for?
Monday.
What time would you like to book the table for?
2 o'clock.
Thank you. Your booking is confirmed. Please scan the code and tap on the button to go to main menu. Welcome to our services. Please select from the options. You can tap my head to talk to me.
So basically the solution which has been developed as per the requirement of the hotel, they have different restaurant in the hotel, so the customer can look for the restaurant and book their table, all right, and the time and the day. And the same time they have a spa, okay, they can select the schedule and the time for the spa. And then if they want to go for the tour, indoor and outdoor tours, okay, what time, what will be the location, all the details they can see and they can book it. And then finally there's a kids club in the hotel, and also they can request for the kids club to be booked for the children for a certain time that they want to play. All right, so these are the different solutions and the services that can be provided by the robots in the hospitality industry, and this is just a basic services. However, we are also having the hotel check-in services from the robot itself, and that will be in the future to show a small demo on that. So this is our first version of the application, and in the future it's going to develop and advance as per the requirement of the customers from different hotels and each hotels as per their requirement. However, this is just a small robot to try with, to test with, and this application can be integrated with any kind of robots, any size of the robots, any model of the robots, if they are working on the Android. So this is the solutions that will be deploying and implementing in the hospitality sector, so that it can become easy for the hospitality industries to maintain their revenue as well as attend their customers on time and feel good. As we know, the rise of robotics generation is coming up, and the rise of machine is coming up, and the AI features has been happening. So this is the future that all the business will be looking for. It is not only the hospitality sector, but it can be implemented in every sector during this pandemic time.